Quick note, this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, CPA, or attorney, and this isn't financial, legal, or tax advice. Full disclaimer is in the description. If you've ever tried to budget and quit after a few weeks, it's not because you're bad with money. Most people stop budgeting because it feels restrictive or overwhelming or like something you're supposed to do only after you have extra money. But a budget isn't a punishment, it's a plan. A simple plan that tells your money where to go before it disappears. And you don't need a high income, perfect discipline, or a complicated app to make one work. So let's reset what budgeting actually means. A budget is not tracking every dollar. It's not checking an app 10 times a day. And it's not about being perfect. A budget is a decision made ahead of time. When money comes in, this is what it's for. And if your budget only works when life goes perfectly, it's not a good budget. Step 1 is starting with your real income, not your salary, not your hourly rate multiplied by a good week. Your real income is what actually hits your bank account. If your income changes month to month, don't plan using your best month. Use a conservative average. Budgets fall apart when they're built on money that isn't guaranteed. And conservative numbers don't limit you, they protect you. If you want something simple to follow along with, I've linked a one-page worksheet below. You can use it digitally or print it. Next, list your monthly expenses. Start with the big non-negotiables: housing, utilities, transportation, insurance, food. Then add the rest: subscriptions, dining, personal spending. You don't need perfect numbers here. Close is good enough, because a budget becomes accurate after you use it, not before. Now split those expenses into two groups. Fixed expenses don't change much month to month. Flexible expenses can move. This matters because a lot of people try to cut money where they actually have no flexibility. You don't need to overhaul your life. You just need to know where adjustments are possible. Now compare income to expenses. If expenses are higher than income, that's not failure, that's information. You adjust. And if there's money left over, that's where savings, debt payments, or just breathing room goes. A working budget isn't strict. It's honest. Most budgets fail for 3 reasons. First, they're too detailed. Second, they assume life stays predictable. Third, one bad month makes people quit. But a budget is a living plan. You're allowed to change it. You're allowed to reset it. You're allowed to improve it over time. The goal isn't control. The goal is awareness and direction. You'll hear about different budgeting styles, percentage rules, zero-based budgets, envelope systems. None of them matter if you won't stick with them. The best budget is the one you understand, can adjust, and will actually use. Budgeting isn't about having more money. It's about making better decisions with the money you already have. Start simple. Adjust as you go. That's how budgets actually work. If you want more deep dive, no fluff content on money, freedom, and designing your life, explore the other videos on the channel. And if you want to go deeper than we can in a single video and actually follow a strategy to improve your financial situation, I put everything into a book so you can apply this step by step. It's called Fire Movement: Stop Trading Time for Money and Build Freedom. A finance guide and workbook to financial independence and retiring early. It's practical, it's structured, and it's built to turn fire from an idea into a plan you can follow. Inside, you'll find worksheets to dial in your numbers, clear action steps so you're not guessing, and quick quizzes to make sure it clicked. There are also real-life scripts, like asking for a raise and having money conversations without freezing up, and step-by-step tools for reducing debt, tightening your budget without feeling miserable, and sticking to a system long enough to see results. So if you're ready to move from I get it to I'm doing it, grab the book. The link is in the description. And if this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Thanks for your time.